puppies. Hello. Hi. Hello. Hi. Hey, babies. Hi. Hello. This is a wee girl. And this is a wee boy. How you doing your wheeze? You're a good girl. Come on, come here. Doing your wheeze. Such a good girl. Come on. Over the big hurdle. That's right. Come on. Hey, Bubba. Come on. Come on. Up here. Up here with the others. Come on. That's a good girl. He's a good girl. Yes, you are. He's a good girl. Hey, babies. Soon you'll be out of here, won't you? This is Helen's wee girl I'm petting. This is the one that I call Curly Sue. She's going to Wellington. And the wee boy at the back is off to Marlborough. So quite little travellers, won't you? Yeah, they'll be quite the little travellers. Yeah, won't they? Yeah.